Who is Dora? Dora Moono Nyambe was a Zambian certified primary school teacher, an educator, and a TikToker better known for her work helping hundreds of children in rural Zambia. Born 25th December 1992 from a Zambian father and a South African mother, her parents exposed her to foreign missionaries at a tender age and made her realize the power of foreign aid in helping the underprivileged. Her visit to Mkushi, Zambia in 2019 was an eye-opener and left her shocked at the high rate of illiteracy, school dropouts, teenage pregnancies, and early childhood marriages, which was a norm in that remote area. Dora first adopted a child when she was only 22 years old, and by the time she was 27 in 2019, she had adopted 4 more children. Dora moved to Mkushi's Mapapa village at 27 years and in a small heart founded the charity Footprints of Hope, an NGO, and later she established a school at a cost of $58,000. In 2023, she adopted a total of 13 children and fostered her 150 boarding school students in a safe environment. She was well known for her school education initiatives, building up to 3 different schools in 3 different villages and buying a school bus to ferry her students along the villages against all odds. Dora championed intervening early marriages and also pursued legal action, mostly involving gender-based violence, and is known to have refunded monies spent by families on a child's wedding. This is how serious she was. Read more about Dora Nyambe in the book Under a Zambian Tree, written by Joseph Schmidt in 2023. Her daughter influenced her to make a dance video on TikTok where she gained 4.5 million followers, and her charity work raised $500,000 towards the children's education and $58 million to drill boreholes for the villagers of Mapapa, Mkushi, to access clean drinking water via Footprints of Hope, aided by Philanthropy and other crowdfunders. Her work clashed with some traditional cultures and brought criticism, strong backlash from many perpetrators and supporters of early childhood marriages, and they accused her of trying to force and promote Western culture on them, with some calling it charity porn. However, she relentlessly fought for the children's right and championed her work, but never lost focus of love and care for her educational and proper nutritional goals, and brought about rural development. Her cause of death remains unknown, with some claiming she drove herself with a leg injury and later died in the same hospital, and others pointing at dark arts. Who will take up her mantle? Who will fill her shoes? What an angel she was, the Zambian Mother Teresa. Thanks for watching.
Hey Dora.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good now. I'm doing good.
I think that this is a sign that we better buy you a new car right now. I want you to go look for a car. We will pay for it next week.
Okay. Just a minute. I'm sorry, it's a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to the channel and write a comment in the comment section if you want me to create more stories from your favorite celebrities to hear more untold stories.